Hi, I'm Keith Camus, Technical Training Manager for Lippert. I've been working in the RV industry for over 20 years, focusing on appliances that make adventures more comfortable and stress-free. Today I'm here to show you just how easy it is to install the Furrion Chill Cube 18K air conditioner. Whether you're upgrading your current unit or outfitting a new RV, this system is designed with the DIYer in mind. Before we dive in, let's talk about top concerns RVers have with their air conditioners. First up, power consumption. No one wants their AC draining the battery too fast. Then there's noise. Sleeping next to a noisy unit isn't fun. Many customers also worry that their AC doesn't get cold enough or cools down too slowly. Airflow is another critical factor. You want consistent, even cooling throughout your space. And finally, ease of installation, because no one wants to spend hours wrestling with a complicated setup. The Furrion Chill Cube 18K is engineered to address these concerns head-on. It features a variable speed compressor that senses climate conditions to maximize cooling performance while using less energy. With an impressively high energy efficiency ratio, it delivers more BTUs per unit of power. One of its standout features is the extremely low startup current of less than 5 amps, making it perfect for use with 2200 watt generator or inverter. Plus, it's 50% more efficient than traditional ACs and operates quietly. The low-profile air distribution box comes with a motorized vent to ensure even airflow, and turbo mode rapidly cools your RV faster than standard options. There's also a battery saver mode that keeps your power usage in check. And when it comes to dehumidification, this unit's continuous operation ensures higher efficiency even in the stickiest climates. For non-ducted systems, the Chill Cube 18K includes an oscillating vent that promotes better air mixture and even cooling throughout your RV. It's a great option if you want effective cooling without a ducted system. Let's take a closer look at the buttons on the air distribution box. You've got your power button to turn the unit on and off, and a mode button to cycle through cooling, fan only, and dehumidifier settings. You also have an Eco Gear button to adjust the fan speed to limit energy consumption to 75% or 50% of the unit's max limit. The arrow buttons let you fine-tune the temperature, while the fan button lets you choose the desired fan speed in 5 steps: auto, low, medium, high, and turbo. The sleep button makes your AC run more efficiently at night, while the swing button allows you to control the oscillating vent on the ADB. Indicator lights show the current gear, mode, fan speed, sleep status, and filter condition, so it's easy to see everything at a glance. Follow Me mode is like having a portable thermostat. It allows the AC to receive data about the temperature in the room from the temperature sensor installed in the remote, which allows you to more precisely reach the temperature set point in the area where the remote control is located. Now that you know what makes the Furrion Chill Cube 18K such a great choice, it's time for the install. With just 2 main components, the rooftop unit and the air distribution box, you'll have your new air conditioner up and running in no time. For more information on the Furrion Chill Cube 18K or other great products, please visit us at lippert.com.